And this sift has a hopper for new powder and a hopper for the used powder. And so as we're depowdering these parts, it's actually dropping through down in that little white grate, and it's recapturing that loose powder. And you can spend as much or as little time here with depowdering as you want. So a lot of people will choose to spend a bit less time here and just sort of absorb that powder, any powder loss, into their cost per part. In most cases, the vast amount of the powder is just going to fall right off and be recycled back into the system. So I probably spent a little more time here than I needed. And especially with the cleanup, there's a built-in vacuum that you can use, which is great for us because we use this as sort of a display piece as much as a functional piece of equipment. And then once we're all cleaned up, the next step is to mix our old powder and new powder so we can use the UI to set that refresh rate. We run about 30% new powder to 70% used powder. And then on the side of the machine, we can even mix all of that together, and it's all automated. It runs for about 10 minutes. And so typically I'll do this while I'm depowdering parts, and that way we're kind of making the best use of our time.